shit, there's a fire! Ah. Alright, so when we first started our little car here, there were a lot of problems with it. One of the problems was we had the lights and the motor running off the same battery. Now that didn't work, because when we had that, the lights would flash so fast that they wouldn't flash at all, which was a problem, because fire trucks don't do that. Shut up. I'm gonna die. And then, we fixed that problem by putting 2 batteries on. Well, actually 3. But, another problem was, how were we going to attach the frame to the actual motor itself? And we fixed that by screwing it to the bottom. Oh, fancy pants, right? Then, we made our little circuit board in there, put it in there, and glued all pieces together. And now you have the fine motorized vehicle that you see today. So, our testing, there's a lot of testing. A lot of things went wrong. It wasn't that fun, but we eventually got it working properly. And, one of the problems was we couldn't get the motor hooked up to the battery properly, so at one point our car was going around in circles. That's not what we wanted, so we had to fix that. And
just had to.
Then some refinements we made. We made the body a little bit smaller than it was before, because it didn't really fit together properly, so we had to fix that. We decided against painting it because we don't want it to be destroyed by people.
Because they were lazy.
Shut up. And let's see. Those are the troubleshooting, testing, and refinements necessary during construction. Alright.
Pros.
So, the pros of our vehicle include the 4-wheel design, which allows it to go in a straight line and with a decent amount of speed. Also, shut up. Also, our light circuit allows us to have the lights flash at a visible frequency to emulate a real fire truck. Alright. In addition to this, our truck will not spontaneously combust, which is very fortunate.
So should we not be talking about it?
Oh, okay.
Cons. So it stops and it goes, and the lights go all flashing. Oh no!
The cons of our vehicle include the wheels. They are not very secure, and a serious impact could knock them out of place. Another con is the positioning of our circuit board. It is exposed to the elements and could be shorted out if something were to get in there. An additional con are the switches. They are attached directly to the vehicle, and you cannot control the vehicle by remote. Now, our vehicle will also not put out fires like a real fire truck. Materials used in our vehicle: aluminum for the casing, red plastic for the LEDs. We used a pre-made motor and the wheels. Battery pack attached to the back. We took some shrink wrap and used it as a holder for our axle to allow the wheels to spin freely. Hooray! Circuit board in there, complete with a 555 timer and many resistors, wires, and stuff. I think that's all the stuff.
Oh, there you go. There you go.
Alright, the general electronic operation of our vehicles are these two batteries. This battery pack goes in here, goes down around here, and it hooks up to this motor right in there. And that makes the wheels turn, and that's what makes the car go. Now this battery pack goes onto this circuit board, which goes through a series of electronical components, including a 555 timer, which then goes to the switch, which then goes to these LEDs, which flash alternatively.
In an alternating
In an alternating fashion.
No,
There we go.
There we go, it's good. There it is. Shit, there's a fire! Deploy the fire truck!